Alright, we're going to do a little quick video on this resistance soldering iron. I've got my heat set at 80. We are grounded on this end. I've got the block there just holding it down. These cords are still pretty new. I'm going to solder this joint. I've tested it a little bit and pretty basic. So we're going to try this. Let me get y'all zoomed in and show y'all what it does. So we're set. I'm going to hit the foot switch, let off the foot switch, oh, I didn't get the solder on there. It's alright, we'll do it again. I can't really see looking in the camera. We'll get it here in a second. And let's try this again. Alright, and that's all it is to it. We have, yeah, I know I got paint on my hands, I've been painting all day. We've got one joint, and very simple, very quick. Now of course, you know, me off camera, I'll take a little bit more time, do a better job, but that's just a little quick demonstration. So that's pretty much it. I hope to have a lot of videos on some brass work and showing y'all how to solder and get some stuff built throughout the year. So that's another little video for y'all. Hope y'all enjoy.